I practice intellectual property law. In particular, I focus on intellectual property litigation and also trademark prosecution and opposition work. And I'm a partner, I practice that at DLA Piper Canada. Like your typical person with a technical background, during law school people mentioned intellectual property law to me. However, I kept a pretty open mindset and wanted to get exposure to all different types of law. Ironically, it turned out that I enjoyed my patents and my trademarks and my copyright courses the most, and I therefore articled at an IP boutique, Dimmock Stratton, and that experience cemented for me that IP law is what I wanted to practice. I bring to my practice, and what I think my clients appreciate the most, is engaging with them. And I would break down client engagement in 3 ways. 1, getting to know the client itself, their business, what they do, how they do it, their challenges and their objectives. 2, the specific problem that they're bringing to me and my team for our legal expertise. And 3, better understanding the role of our client contact. In our line of work, our client contact tends to be either the GC, the general counsel, or the in-house IP attorney. And getting to know them specifically and the challenges that they face and their objectives helps us team with them, because it really is teamwork to deliver the solutions that they need to focus on what they have to do, which is really their business and not IP disputes. In my practice, I have benefited tremendously from mentorship. In particular, I have practiced both during my articles and thereafter with Ron Dimmock and Bruce Stratton, 2 leading IP lawyers in Canada. And because they gave me the experience, the guidance, and the mentorship to get to where I am right now, I feel it's imperative to give back. Not just give back in a substantive manner, but also give back in an informal manner. For example, there are many people along my path who told me, you know, you're doing great, don't give up. And I think sometimes that's really important to hear. The practice of law is tough. Balancing the different issues that each of us have in our lives is tough. And sometimes just to be there for a colleague or someone who's coming up in the next generation is really important to me.